Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel Fold, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold our power button and volume up at the same time. This will bring us our boot options, and here simply select shut down. I think it's already shutting down, right? Yep. Okay, so now that it's off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. This will boot us into fast boot mode / bootloader. It's basically two modes at the same time. Now, using volume buttons, you want to scroll through the options that will appear one by one right here, and you want to select recovery mode, and then confirm it with the power button. Next thing you will see is Android with no command. So to get past this, you want to hold your power button and press volume up once. And as you can see, this boots us into recovery mode. In here, again, just like before, we're going to navigate using our volume buttons, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now, quickly going into the options that we have right here, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android, Reboot to Bootloader, which will take us back to the previous page, Enter Fastboot Mode, which is a dedicated fastboot mode, unlike the bootloader fastboot mode that we had on the first page that we booted into. But nonetheless, both bootloader and fastboot mode should function the same way because they're both labeled, at least the first mode, as fastboot mode and bootloader. Scrolling down, we have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off the device. So I'm going to select the first one, Reboot System Now, and confirm it, just so I can get back to my Android system. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.